These are my Ray-Ban Wayfarers Polarized glasses. I love them. Ray-Ban is a great brand. It is iconic and durable functionality combined, and it has hundreds of different styles, including eyeglasses, which will be my next purchase. But these Wayfarers have always been my favorite. I've worn this style for years and they keep getting upgrades and I love them. Ray-Bans are made in Italy. They come with a 2-year warranty and they combine modern, sleek design, iconic, timeless design with durable functionality. You can see how great they protect my face. This particular style has a nice high nose bridge, which keeps it up high on my nose. I love this style because it has the lightweight material all the way around. There's no metal included, which keeps it from pulling my hair or touching my face. It comes in a bunch of different styles of Wayfarers. This one is the square glasses of Wayfarers, and inside is a particular number where you can find the exact one if you want to repeat buy in the future. They're very, very sturdy. If you can see inside here, the hinge system is very detailed. Ray-Ban just really pays a lot of attention to detail, which I love. Here you go. The polarization just helps relax my vision. It enhances the clarity and the depth perception. It also just gives me a little calming sense. I wear them everywhere. I wear them to work, to the pool, to parties, ballparks, everywhere in between. I don't even like to go to the mailbox without my Ray-Bans. This is the TARDIS color and the brown lenses. I think you will really love Ray-Bans in any style. Comes right now with an offering with a nice cleaning kit and a wonderful case. The Ray-Bans come with an awesome 2-year warranty, and the 2-year warranty really gives you a risk-free, relaxing purchase. And it comes with these great cases. The case itself has this velvet lining and this built-in bridge that lets the glasses set safely on there with a snap so you can toss it in your purse or bag or travel, and it is protected wherever you go. When you pull them out, they're just as clean and soft as they were when you put them in. They come with hundreds of different styles as well as different shades of the lenses.